model, 67 plate Ford Transit Custom 2.0 TDCI 290 starts runs needs clutch repair Euro 6 No Vat. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 148,102. MOT, the 22nd of February 2026. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 105 PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The clutch needs replacing. Engine and gearbox a perfect Zoll bargain with no VAT to pay, only one former keeper. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van.